Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I want to demonstrate how to combine this sketch with logical. When I do this with the sketch, the logical element and the HiCAD element will naturally be connected together and bidirectionally. That means any change, whether I make it in HiCAD or in logical, is always most definitely always linked. For this particular task, I go to the ribbon menu and select the logical with sketch function. I am asked which sketch I want to make and also immediately asked if I want to delete it. I will delete it right away because I won't need it anymore. After that, I am asked whether I want a new project or an existing one. I simply select an existing project here. Now the interface to logical is being set up and I am already in logical. Here, I can easily take my corresponding project from my project list. Then, logical quickly starts right away and creates the respective new position seamlessly and efficiently in a matter of seconds and without any hassle. I received an optimization from OrgaData, which includes my templates, meaning my standard templates, and more. I choose to select my series right here, which you can also easily do on your end, and now I am inside the logical software. You can also see here that my grid has definitely been adopted and I can start placing my element here. So I select my type of use here, but I want to change the use here, which means I want to have a window in here, and you can see that through my templates, which have been set for me, my entire profile assignment is already available. For example, I select the type of use, such as personal or professional, but I want to change the use, which means I want to have a window in here, as you can see through my templates, which have been set for me. My entire profile assignment is already available. I am currently now closing my position, which means this position has been saved in logical and is also present in HiCAD, therefore systematically in the system. This means my transfer, that is, my transfer from logical to HiCAD, is generated here, and this quickly I have imported a new position in HiCAD from logical, meaning created with the size from HiCAD. I can then also create my sections in a straightforward manner as usual and further define my detailed connection in my sections and in a detailed way.